In this step, I'm going to show you how to create a three-dimensional feel of the head and the flower. I'm going to take a little bit of this Windsor blue. I'm going to apply to this area to see it will be the right colors. It looks like it's pretty good. I'm going to get this crimson with this blue color together. Let's see. That looks like the color that I'm looking for. Doesn't need to be very dark, so it looks like a little bit too dark. I'm going to lift up a little bit of this color. Okay, here you go. Okay, the color changed a little bit. This is good. And on this side, can use the similar colors over here. A little bit more blue. Okay, good. Like that. It's good with that. And also a little bit on this side. Now I'm going to work a little bit into the flower. Just the red color. I'm going to just add a little shape. This area. Couple more. Into that. Good. Under here, have a little bit darker area. Just use the red color. And we can come back to lift off anything that we don't need. The top here, we can soften a little bit on this side. That's good. Now we're gonna soften that edge. The head is good for now. I will come back to do more work later.